Today I am going to share with you how to access ChatGPT on your Apple Watch or Wear OS smartwatch. It's no secret that ChatGPT has become wildly popular since its release, and you can now access it on the Apple Watch and Wear OS devices via third-party apps. Wear GPT is one such app that can be downloaded from the Play Store and can run on most modern smartwatches powered by Google's Wear OS 2 and Wear OS 3 without any issues. The app utilizes the official ChatGPT API, providing users with a complete ChatGPT experience from their wrist. Additionally, it includes voice input and output features, enabling hands-free communication, and has numerous customization options that allow users to adjust header parameters and models to meet their requirements. The features available on Wear GPT are similar to those found on standard ChatGPT. These include the capability to respond to intricate inquiries and engage in informal conversation. Moreover, the application can offer developers with swift code templates or segment suggestions. Because it is powered by ChatGPT, the app can solve math problems and offer recommendations for gifts, dinner, or vacation spots. However, one of the most significant uses on a smartwatch is likely to be the app's capability to provide context for subjective emails. To utilize Wear GPT on a compatible Wear OS device, the simplest method is to employ voice inputs. To accomplish this, launch the application and press the microphone icon located on the home page. Next, ask a question, and select the Send button, represented by a paper plane icon, to allow ChatGPT to process the inquiry. The app typically takes only a few seconds to provide a response. Alternatively, users may use the keypad to enter their queries. To begin, select the text input field on the home screen and enter the desired prompt. Once finished, click the Send button to submit the inquiry. Currently, Wear GPT is exclusively accessible on Wear OS. However, Apple Watch users can also obtain an alternative app that can interact with ChatGPT, called Petty, AI Assistant. This app can be downloaded from the App Store and operates on iOS versions 13 and above. Unlike Wear GPT, Petty is not free and requires payment of $4.99 in the US and €4.99 in the EU. Petty is available in several languages, including English, Dutch, French, Spanish, Swedish, Danish, and Norwegian. Petty offers several features, such as the ability to convert text to speech and support for multiple prompts that allow users to react to ChatGPT's responses. The application also incorporates GPT-4, which has improved accuracy and faster response times compared to GPT 3.5. In general, both Wear GPT and Petty deliver what they promise by allowing users to access ChatGPT via their smartwatches. Despite ChatGPT's occasional missteps and responses that may stray off topic, it has been a remarkable innovation, and now users can interact with this AI chatbot directly from their wrists.